upon us, which means it's time for me to show you how to make my carrot quick bread with raisin cream cheese. A cup of flour into our bowl.
Spelt flour,
Kosher salt.
cinnamon, ground up cloves, freshly grated nutmeg.
Baking powder and baking soda.
Whisk up your dry ingredients.
3 eggs right into our bowl.
Then brown sugar,
Plain yogurt.
vanilla extract.
And you're just going to whisk that up. Grab our carrots, and it's time to grate them up on the large grate on your grater. Take our grated up carrots, add that into our wet ingredients. Take our dry ingredients, we're going to pour them into our wet ingredients.
Fold that together.
Place this right into a lined and greased, yes, that's right, both, baking pan.
Pop it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes.
And let it cool for 15 minutes.
Now to make the raisin cream cheese spread, I'm going to add some maple syrup to our softened cream cheese.
Add in a little bit of softened butter.
Chop up our raisins straight into our cream cheese mixture.
Spread that all over the top.